Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we embark on a cultural adventure to uncover the unspoken rules of Italy. From the picturesque landscapes to the rich history, Italy is a country that captivates the heart and soul. But what about the subtle social norms that define everyday life? Join me as we lift the veil on the hidden guidelines that make Italy truly unique. Let's dive in. To truly understand and immerse oneself in the Italian way of life, it becomes imperative to unravel the intricacies of these unspoken rules, which are as diverse and captivating as the country itself. Greetings as a ritual. In Italy, greetings are more than just a polite exchange. They are a dance, a choreography of cheek kisses that varies across regions. A single kiss in some places, two in others, and even three in certain regions. This ritual reflects a deep-rooted emphasis on personal connections and an acknowledgement of another's presence. It's not merely a formality, it's a genuine display of warmth and respect. The passeggiata. As the sun begins its descent, Italian towns come alive with the cherished tradition of the passeggiata. This early evening stroll is not just a leisurely activity, it's a communal celebration of life. Families, friends, and lovers converge in town squares, promenading with purpose. It's a time to connect, engage in casual conversations, and strengthen social bonds. A testament to the importance of community in Italian culture. Espresso etiquette. In a nation where coffee is revered, ordering an espresso is an art form. Standing at the bar is not just a preference, it's practically a rule. Sitting is reserved for those indulging in a more leisurely coffee experience. Moreover, there's an unwritten law against ordering a cappuccino after 11 a.m., as Italians believe that milk-heavy drinks should be confined to the morning hours. Mealtime manners. Italians approach mealtime with a reverence that transcends mere sustenance. Ordering a cappuccino after a meal is frowned upon, as is putting cheese on seafood pasta. Lingering at the table after a meal is not just acceptable, it's encouraged. Meals are not rushed affairs, they are opportunities for communal joy and the strengthening of familial and social bonds. Respect for traditions. The past is not forgotten in Italy, it is celebrated. From festivals to religious holidays, Italians hold on to traditions with a sense of pride. Respect for elders and a strong family ethos are paramount, shaping the core of interpersonal relationships and societal structures. Nonverbal communication. In a land where emotions run high, nonverbal communication is an integral part of the dialogue. Italians are known for their expressive gestures, and these animated conversations are as much a part of daily life as the spoken word. Understanding the unspoken language of gestures is crucial for effective communication and genuine connection. Fashion as identity. Style is not just a superficial concern in Italy, it's a form of self-expression and identity. Whether attending a social event or running errands, Italians take pride in their appearance. A well-tailored outfit is not merely a fashion statement, it's a display of self-respect and consideration for those around you. The art of queuing. While queuing may seem like a universal practice, the Italian approach is an art form in itself. Patience is crucial, but so is a delicate balance of assertiveness and courtesy. It's a dance of politeness, ensuring that you neither cut in front of others nor let someone else take advantage of your courteous demeanor. Time's fluidity. In Italy, time is more than a ticking clock, it's a fluid entity. Punctuality is appreciated, but social engagements often begin a tad later than the stated time. This relaxed approach to time is a testament to the Italian appreciation for the present moment, encouraging a more relaxed and enjoyable experience. Embracing la dolce vita. Above all, the unspoken rule of la dolce vita permeates Italian culture. Translating to the sweet life, it encapsulates the Italian philosophy of savoring life's pleasures, cherishing good company, and finding joy in the simplest moments. Whether indulging in a leisurely meal, strolling through historic streets, or sipping an espresso at a bustling cafe, embracing la dolce vita is the key to truly understanding and appreciating the heart and soul of Italy. As our journey through the unspoken rules of Italy comes to a close, we hope you gained a deeper appreciation for the intricate tapestry of Italian culture. From la dolce vita to family values and the art of expression, these unspoken rules reveal the soul of a nation. If you enjoyed this cultural exploration, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Grazie for joining us on this odyssey. Until next time, stay safe.